Again another video, starting like this.
Caillou, you better not do anything stupid today, you got that? It's nearly New Year's Eve and they are preparing the fireworks.
Ugh, whatever. I'm gonna go check what this fireworks thing is. I have an idea. I am going to add a surprise to the fireworks for New Year's. Ha 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 ha, but how should I do it? Oh right, I remember I have a clone of me. Ha 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 ha.
How should we do it?
I don't know, maybe when it's time for the day we get an idea.
Okay, we are going to go to the New Year's celebration. Wait a minute, where is Doris and Rosie?
I don't actually know. I'm not lying.
They aren't here because Flash Themes won't let me add them in for some reason.
Before we go, you better not do anything stupid or do some dumb prank, you understand?
Okay, chill, I won't.
Now let's go.
Okay guys. We have gathered here to watch the New Year's fireworks. Anyways, let's start. So the countdown will begin in 10 seconds. Oh hey kid, what did you do to the fireworks? Why aren't they going off?
Ha 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 ha, I put fake fireworks instead.
Caillou, I cannot believe you would ruin New Year's, that was it. You're grounded for 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 8, 9, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 2, 7, 5, 8, 4, 3, 8, 7, 9, 8, 2, 3, 7, 8, 5, 3, 4, 6, 9, 8, 7, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7 years.
Hey guys. Thank you for watching the video and like and subscribe. Anyways, consider watching whatever is on the screen and also make sure to click the bell to never miss any videos I make. Bye.